Alright guys, on today's video I will show you guys how to make YouTube title and description properly using AI. So here I already upload my video on YouTube Studio, and then make sure after you upload it you just wait about 15 to 20 minutes at the most, but most of the case for me, because I'm uploading like very short video about less than 5 minutes. So after that you just click edit on it, and then click the link of your YouTube, so you watch your draft video. Okay, after you open it, and then make sure this CC already visible, which means YouTube successfully processing your video regarding about the subtitle, I don't know, whatever it is, but the most important is the subtitle or the closed caption of your video. So make sure it's already clickable. If not, just wait for 5 to 10 minutes more and go back again and make sure it's already there. And then after that, you go to Google Chrome Web Store. I will put the link below. This is the extension called GR Transcript, extracting YouTube transcript. Okay. Later you install it on your Chrome extension, this Chrome extension to your Google Chrome, and then go back. After you install that, go back to the draft front end of your video and then run the extension. You just run, and then you can choose between these two, auto transcript or CC transcript, because sometimes auto transcript not working, and somehow I don't know, but the thing is both of them are extracting the transcript of the video. Okay, so after you create the video, you just for instance I will click the auto transcript, and then here the transcript already returns on this box, and then here there is an option of to YouTube. So after you click that, and then the creator asks for give me a coffee, please give a tip for him. Actually it's my own extension. Okay, after you click to YouTube, you just give a tip as you wish, and then wait for a while. This extension will generate 5 title options. So these 5 titles, like blah 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 blah, choose whatever you want, and then click copy, and then the description. Actually in YouTube journey, description is not, is, I may say, it's not really important, so it's no need to make an option for this. So just one is fine, and then this is the tags, and then also the thumbnail prompt if you want to create a thumbnail using AI. So that's how to create YouTube title and description properly using AI, and I can do it fast. Instead of copying the transcript, go to the Gemini or go to the ChatGPT. It takes time. So using this extension, I could do it for less than 5 minutes. So just install this extension. I will put on the link down below. If I forget, please put in the comment below for us the link. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.